Nike's Total 93 University Blue brings early 2000s soccer heritage into 2025 with a stylish lifestyle spin. Dropping in summer 2025, the sneaker revives the iconic split medial-lateral design, pairing vibrant university blue with soft gray overlays. Crisp white swooshes and retro circular branding uphold the silhouette's original DNA. A gum rubber sole adds both vintage appeal and reliable traction. While now built for casual wear, the leather-like upper hints at its past use for light training or indoor play, maintaining its functional roots. The refreshed two-tone look captures Nike's blend of legacy and innovation, appealing to both longtime fans and new audiences. Fashionable yet nostalgic, the University Blue is as much a statement piece as it is a tribute. Expect this drop at Nike.com and select retailers soon, bridging old-school charm with modern flair.